Alright guys, so these days we have so many options whenever it comes to getting a brand new robot vacuum, especially in 2026, there's so many around. However, we're still hearing reports of users complaining that the robot vacuum that they bought doesn't really clean their floors properly, doesn't get close enough to the walls, sometimes hair still get tangled up in the rollers, and all sorts of issues. Anyway, today we have here the brand new DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni that's said to solve all of these issues. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at 6 main reasons why I think the DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni stands out as the most advanced robot cleaning systems that you can get right now. Starting off with the first point, we have the brand new Osmo Roller 3.0 system. Now this is essentially an upgraded Osmo roller that now features instant self-washing mopping tech. So the mop constantly cleans itself while it's mopping your floors. Instead of the usual spinning mop pads, the T90 uses a pretty long 27cm roller mop that scrubs the floor with real pressure, which is about 16 times the cleaning pressure compared to typical dual mop pad designs. Now the mop roller is also equipped with micrometer level ultra-fine microfiber, which helps it pick up finer dust and dirt more effectively while it's scrubbing the floor. Now when cleaning, the 11 kPa booster pump sprays high pressure water jets through 16 nozzles in 32 directions. This loosens up the dirt from the rollers before it gets scraped off and washed away. So instead of spreading dirty water around the floor, the roller is constantly rinsed with clean water while cleaning your home. Now from my own experience using it, this actually makes a noticeable difference, especially with dried stains or sticky spots on the floor. Now with normal robot mops, these usually require a couple of passes, and sometimes you might even need to wipe them off manually. But with the new roller applying pressure while constantly washing itself, it feels much closer to how you would actually scrub the floor yourself. Now next, the robot also features the brand new True Edge 3.0 Extreme Edge Cleaning. Now in layman terms, the roller here actually uses an air cushion suspended design, which allows it to constantly adjust its distance when it gets close to walls or furniture. So instead of bumping into things like many robot vacuums do, the roller can gently glide along the edges while continuously adjusting how far it extends. By the way, it can extend out by up to 1.5 cm, allowing the robot to clean very close to the wall. Furthermore, the outer edge of the roller is also protected by a soft felt strip, which helps prevent scratches while it moves along baseboards or furniture. And with the system constantly adapting in real time, the robot is able to clean right up to the edges without unnecessary bumping, while the side brush continues sweeping debris away from the corners. Now, another really important improvement here is all about that suction power. Now, the T90 Pro Omni comes with blast suction, and this delivers up to 30,000 PA with high airflow, allowing it to pick up dust, debris, and dirt effectively on both hard floors and carpets. When cleaning, it handles more debris, dust, and even larger bits on the floor quite easily, and when it moves over carpets, you can actually hear the suction ramp up slightly to deal with deeper dirt. But what I also noticed is that even with the very strong suction, the noise level is actually not particularly loud, so it's still comfortable to run while you're at home. Moving on, another feature that helps reduce maintenance is Anti-tangle 4.0. Now this upgraded system uses a redesigned anti-tangle brush together with airflow directed technology to reduce hair wrapping. You know, if you've used robot vacuums before, you know that hair getting stuck around the brush is one of the most annoying maintenance tasks. So having a system that minimizes this means you spend less time cutting hair off the roller and more time just letting the robot do its job. Now next, and this is actually very important for larger homes, the robot now features fast boost charging. Now this works similar to how you quick charge your smartphone. That means every time the robot returns to the station to wash its mop, it will also fast charge the battery at the same time. This is made possible thanks to its EV-grade pouch battery, which is designed to support faster and more efficient charging while maintaining battery stability. For example, a 3-minute wash cycle can already give the robot about 10% of battery, and this allows the robot to quickly top up its battery and continue cleaning instead of stopping for a long recharge. Now because of this, the T90 Pro Omni is able to achieve perpetual cleaning runs of up to 500 square meters, which is especially useful for larger homes where cleaning can take longer. And finally, we have the Fresh Flow hot water washing system. So instead of washing the mop with dirty recycled water, the system directly pumps clean water up to 75 degrees Celsius using high pressure flow to break down dirt before quickly draining the dirty water away. It even includes automatic dirty water box cleaning, which helps prevent odors and keep the system hygienic with minimal maintenance. Now, from a practical standpoint, this also means less work for the user, and since the system is constantly flushing away dirty water instead of letting it build up inside the station, this is great. Now, before we go, there are also a few more improvements that's worth mentioning. For instance, the robot comes with True Pass adaptive 4-wheel drive, which allows it to climb thresholds of up to 2.4 centimeters or even 2 continuous steps of up to around 4 cm. Now this makes it easier for the robot to move between rooms or over sliding door tracks. It also features AI VI 3D 4.0 obstacle avoidance, which again helps the robot detect and avoid things like wires, furniture legs, toys, or even pets, so you can navigate around your house more intelligently without getting stuck. So at the end of the day, what makes the DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni stand out is not just about specs. It's the way the entire system works together, from the pressurized roller mop that constantly washes itself to edge-to-edge cleaning, strong suction, and that anti-tangle tech. All of this makes it feel less like a typical robot vacuum and more like a fully automated cleaning system that takes care of your floors for you. If you want to find out more details about the DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni, do check out the links down below. Thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Do take care, stay clean, and bye-bye.